Tara mga ka-G, meron ng nag-imbento ng isang Afrikano sa Africa. Siya po ay naka-imbento ng isang sasakyan na hindi na kailangan i-charge. Sasakyan, Elon Musk po, i-charge pa. Sa kanya po, hindi. Alas kukuha na lang siya ng microwave sa kalikasan, kumbaga dito sa green energy. Kumbaga, wala nang charge, wala na rin ano. Bali, ang ano na lang is microwave. Ayun po ang kanyang charge para makatakbo ang kanyang sasakyan. Motor man, naka-invento siya. Pero hindi nyo ba alam, meron ng Pinoy na naka-invento ng ganyan. Tara, ating panoorin po. Tingnan nyo po. Suporta lang po ang kailangan talaga. Ewan ko kung nasaan na po siya ngayon. Hindi na lumalabas yung mga video niya. Dati po na 3 years ago to 4 years ago, meron na po siya na-invento na microwave na kagaya na ng Afrikano na naka-invento. Tara, panoorin natin.
Nation. Their speech resonates with the crowd, inspiring a new generation of dreamers and doers. It is a testament to the power of dreams. In labs and workshops, the seeds of this innovation were sown. The journey from concept to reality was paved with challenges, but the unwavering belief in a better future kept the dream alive. The launch event in Harare is a spectacle of technological prowess. Excitement fills the air. The city, known for its rich history and vibrant culture, now stands at the forefront of a technological revolution. The atmosphere is electric, with immense pride for Africa. The continent, often overlooked in the global tech landscape, now takes center stage. The waving flags and jubilant faces reflect a collective pride and a renewed sense of possibility. Zimbabwe stands tall, a beacon of innovation for the world to see. The skyline of Harare, with its blend of modernity and tradition, now includes a new symbol of progress. This is not just a victory for Zimbabwe, but for all who dare to dream and innovate.
In the late 1990s, making a radio transmitter, digital navigator, turbine engine using scrap metal. And in 2009, he began his journey into green energy. Hear him explain it to the President, Comrade Emerson Dabozo Mnangagwa at State House.
No fuel, nothing.
Nothing, no fuel.
First in the world.
The first in the world.
Gets its power from the sky.
Yeah, from the radio frequency.
This will not happen in Zimbabwe.
Yes, we have done it in Zimbabwe.
Can you explain?
Yeah. So the vehicle, it is powered with what we call a microsonic energy device. That is the
That's after our round of
yeah, the vehicle, it uses what we call the microsonic energy device. The microsonic energy device, it is the device that I personally invented in 2009, which harness radio frequencies, converted it into energy. As you know, radio frequencies, they are measured in nanovolts, meaning to say they are less than a volt, they are just like nothing, but we find a way of harnessing it through the creation of the 70% of the components in the microsonic energy, which I've tailor-made, which I've designed. So those are the components that enable the radio frequency to be transferred into pure, useful energy. And this is the first time in the world.
So they wanted to arrest him for changing physics.
Yeah, yes. Even when we tried to file a patent, they said we were violating the natural laws of physics. So it's not an industrial application.
Nation. Their speech resonates with the crowd, inspiring a new generation of dreamers and doers. It is a testament to the power of dreams. In labs and workshops, the seeds of this innovation were sown. The journey from concept to reality was paved with challenges, but the unwavering belief in a better future kept the dream alive. The launch event in Harare is a spectacle of technological prowess. Excitement fills the air. The city, known for its rich history and vibrant culture, now stands at the forefront of a technological revolution. The atmosphere is electric, with every cheer echoing the promise of a brighter future. The world watches as history unfolds. From New York to Tokyo, from London to Sydney, people are captivated by the live broadcasts. This moment transcends borders, uniting humanity in a shared vision of progress and innovation. This is a moment of immense pride for Africa. The continent, often overlooked in the global tech landscape, now takes center stage. The waving flags and jubilant
Po yung sa Pilipinong invento na kanyang halos kaparehas po ng sa Afrikano. Ito po, para panoorin po natin. Ito po.
Na bulb.
ganun kadami.
Ganun karami.
360.
300, kasi kung 10 watts, ayan, 360 na ilaw.
360 na ilaw ang pwedeng paganahin nitong
Opo.
motor na to.
Ngayon, kung sa electric pa naman,
Oh.
ano pa ang gusto mong idagdag? Siyempre, rep.
Ref,
Oh,
washing machine.
aha. Bali, halimbawa, ito, 562 divide by 70.
Mm.
Isipin nyo, kulang-kulang,
Yan po, halos parehas lang ang concept. Kulang po ng dalawa.
Kulang-kulang
Ayan,
is-
yan po
ano,
yung electric fan. Sa
kulang-kulang
kabila po,
100
ganun din
na
po.
electric
CCTV,
fan.
ganun din po.
Ito,
Gumagana ng
ayan, oo,
walang
ito.
kuryente.
Sangdang electric
Nasa-
fan. Napapaan
mm,
rin
mm,
ito.
kaya po yan.
Gumagana. Ayun ang
Kasi ano nga,
pinakasimple
may
na para
electric fan dito.
magkaroon ng kuryente. Ayan.
Para
So,
makita.
pwede tayong magsaksak din dito.
Oo, oo.
Okay. Sige nga po, sir.
Yan po, halos parehas lang ang konsepto lang po ng dalawa. Ayan, pinapagana yung electric fan. Sa kabila po, ganun din po. Kasi yung PV, ganun din po. Gumagana ng walang kuryente. Nasa wave lang po yung gumagana. Ayun ang pinaka-signal niya para magkaroon ng kuryente. Ayan, tingnan niyo po.
So, gaano kadami, sir, na pwedeng ikabit dito sa generator na sabay-sabay niyang paandarin?
Ilagay mo pa yung ano, yung isa pang electric fan.
Pwede ba yung TV sa ibabaw? Hindi. Dito lang sa baba?
Pwede naman.
Okay. So, okay. Paandarin natin yung TV. So, ayan po ha. Hindi pa rin ho ako nagka-cut. Para wag na lang sabihin na inedit natin yung video. Gumagana na ba yung TV?
Actually, meron na kaya lang.
Maano lang yung ano, yung liwanag lang kasi. But gumagana na siya. Okay.
Meron ba tayong ano rin, USB? Meron na nakasaksak. Meron na. O, ayan.
Ayan, mag-play nga po tayo. Ayan. So, sadya ho natin na ano, itong video na to. Ayan. Ito yung lumalabas.
Ayan mismo yung generator.
Okay. Ayan. Okay. Sir, nakita natin yung itong generator na to.
Opo.
Ilang horsepower po itong generator na to?
Sa amin kasi, pag sinabi naming 10 horsepower, actually, iyan ay mga 20. Lagi kaming may
Pasobra.
backup.
Backup. Okay.
Backup. Kasi
So, ang clinic, sinasabi niyo lang 10, but actually that's
yung
20.
effect,
Yan po yung sasakyan na invento niya nasa likod na video. Ayan po yung sasakyan na tinatakbo niya. Ayan, hindi na kailangan ng charge. Yan po. Dahil kasi meron na sa microwave po. Ayun po para tumakbo ang kanyang sasakyan. Yan po. Yan po yun. Naka-invento ng Pilipino. Wala pa yung Aprikano. Pilipino meron na. Yan po yun. Siya po yun.